9 yoga hacks that will transform your practice. The last one will absolutely blow your mind. Namaste Yoga enthusiast. Welcome to Asana Yoga, where we take your practice to the next level. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our transformative content. Let's get started. Let's enhance your yoga practice with essential oils. These aren't just for making your space smell nice, they can also enhance your focus and relaxation. Here is a quick DIY hack. Create your own refreshing and antibacterial mat spray. Mix a few drops of essential oil, it can be lavender, ocean breeze or tea tree, with water or witch hazel. Spray this on your yoga mat before practice. It not only smells amazing, but it keeps your mat clean and bacteria free. This simple spray creates a calming atmosphere, helping you stay centered and focused throughout the practice. Forward folds can be challenging, especially if you have tight hamstrings. Placing a yoga blocks under your sitting bones can help. Sit on the block to elevate your hips. This makes it easier to hinge forward from the hip joint, reducing strain from your lower back and allowing deeper stretch. Similarly, for standing folds, you can use blanket under your heels like this to perform Uttanasana. Maintain your balance in challenging poses by fixing your gaze on a specific point known as drishti. Now we will demonstrate tree pose. Choose a spot at eye level and focus on it to stabilize your gaze. Relieve neck tension with a simple tool, tennis balls. Place 2 tennis balls in a sock and position them under the base of your neck while lying in Shavasana.
This process helps you relieve tension from your neck region, which is important for reducing overall stress and improving posture. By releasing tightness in this area, you promote better circulation and ease discomfort.
Support your lower back with a pillow or bolster in poses like Shavasana or Balasana, that is child pose. Now we will demonstrate Shavasana. Place a bolster under the knees and get into reclining position. This can reduce tension and make restorative poses even more relaxing. You can also place a bolster in front and rest in child pose. Especially for people having stiff back and shoulders, a simple chair can be your best friend for improving flexibility and achieving deeper back bend safely. Place the chair close to the wall, the back side of the chair facing the wall. Fold a mat and place it on the chair for cushion. Insert the legs and sit at the edge of the chair. Align your feet against the wall. Now start bending backward, reaching out for the back of the chair for support. If you experience knee pain in poses like Virasana, Hero pose or Anjanyasana, low lunge, a rolled up towel or blanket can provide much needed support. Roll a blanket and place it under your knee. This small adjustment can make these poses more comfortable and reduce strain on your joint. Feeling tired after a long day or an intense yoga session? Try legs up the wall pose for instant recovery. This simple pose is a powerful way to rejuvenate your body. This pose improves circulation, reduces swelling in your legs, and calms your nervous system. Just stay here for 5 to 10 minutes and you will be completely refreshed and rejuvenated. Set up with a bolster, blanket, and something to cover your eyes that can be eye mask or a scarf. So place a bolster along the spine. Put a roll blanket under your knee and to cover your eyes. Lie down and follow a guided session. It's like a deep restorative nap that rejuvenates your body and your mind. Perfect for stress relief and enhancing overall well-being.
Adding these yoga props to your Yoga Nidra session can help you reach a deeper state of relaxation and mental calm. Yoga Nidra is the best way to reset your mental clarity, release the day's stress, and improve your overall well-being. Practicing it before sleep enhances restfulness, leaving you rejuvenated and clear-headed when you wake up. You should definitely add this in your daily routine. But make sure you follow guided instructions for best results. We will add some recommendations and links in the description.
These hacks are game changers for your yoga practice. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, Namaste.